Hello all, this video will explain how to create question paper for online theory exam summer 2020. So first thing you have to log in with your Gmail account for KK Education Society. So first you have to write your Gmail ID, then password. So after login to your Gmail account, you have to go to your Drive account. So from Google Apps, you can go to Drive. Now in this Google Drive, you have to click to New, then More. Under More, there is a one option Google Form. Okay, so in Google Form, again there are two options, blank form and from a template. So you have to click on from a template option. So after clicking on form from a template, there are two options available, KK Education Society Nasik and General. So select KK Education Society Nasik, and in that the template for MSBT theory exam summer 2020 is available. So you have to click on that particular form with the name MSBT theory exam summer 2020. So you have to open that particular form, and this is the common template for all the subjects. So here first student will select the department, then select semester, then scheme, then student will write the name of the subject, subject code, enrollment number, exam center code, that is first shift 0078, second shift 1103, exam seat number and name of the student. So this information will write by student once you send this form to respective students. Now in section 2, you have to write the questions and 4 options for that. So here 40 questions are provided, so you can edit this form by writing questions and multiple options for that. Okay, so suppose I write question number 1. Let's say what is IT? Okay, so option 1, let's say information technology. Then option 2, let's say sports. Let's say option 3 is, let's say, music. And let's say option 4 is a food. So after writing a 4 option, you have to click on answer key. Okay, so on answer key you have to select the correct option from this. So correct option is information technology, so I will select that option and I will say done. So this thing you have to do for every question. So first you have to write question, then 4 options, and then you have to provide answer key so that correct evaluation will be done. So you have to do this for 40 questions. So in this way you can create a question paper for the theory exam. Also one thing need to specify here, you have to click on setting option, and after click on setting option you have to remove this checkbox, that is restrict to users in KK Education Society Nasik and its trusted organization. So a student with any email ID can give the response, so you have to remove this checkbox. So in this way your question paper get generated, and you can edit the title also so that your question paper get uh, recognized and question paper get some kind of information. So in this way you can prepare a question paper for upcoming exam.